Okay, let's go.
Are you enjoying horsey ride, Dylan?
Keep going, Dylan.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going, horsey, keep going. Keep
Yes,
going.
go, horse. Oh, oh.
Horsey ride
No.
down.
No. Dylan, okay, will you give a horsey ride? Will you give a horsey ride to Rishika? Okay, Rishika, he's gonna give you a horsey ride. Okay.
No, I'm gonna give her a cow ride.
Okay, give her a cow ride. Okay, go.
Rishka, tell me back.
Okay. Okay.
Without touching just like that.
Yeah, okay, sit a little bit.
Sit little bit.
Oh, he's going, he's going, he's going.
Okay, okay.
Oh, she's on there. You're giving her a horsey ride.
Oh, it's a cow ride.
Oh, cow ride. How is the cow ride?
Good.
Is it good?
No, I'm not getting good because I'm not going on the cow ride.
Rishika's going on the cow ride.
Yeah, she's going on the cow. But I want
There you go, she's on the cow ride. There, she fell on the cow. Now the cow can't get away. Is the cow stuck?
The cow is strong. Cow can try.
Yes, you're strong. You can get away. I know.
Cow can get away easily. Cow has to fight properly. Cow can get